Yeah, folks, let's start with the session. Yeah. Yesterday we discussed about the loops required for Pascal triangle. Am I right? Let's try writing the program now. Once it is done, then we'll start with the while loop. Okay. And we'll write some programs using while loop today. Okay, folks. So have you tried this Pascal triangle program? Anybody of you? Have you tried the Pascal triangle program? Any one of you guys? Have you tried the Pascal triangle program? Anyone, either Akshan, Bhagesh, Ketan, Lakshmi, Bhagya, Venugopal Reddy, yeah. Nikhil, Nitish, Sandhya Rani, Sushmita, Uma. Are you there, everyone? Chukman, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Okay. Folks, have you tried this example? Have you tried the Pascal triangle program? Oh, very nice. Cool. Good. Very good. So some of you guys saying yes. Very good. Okay. What about the other guys? What about the other guys? Have you tried this program for Pascal triangle? Have you tried this program? No. Very good. You got yeah, multiple of you guys. Yeah. Okay. 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 No issue. No issue. Okay, folks. Better let's take a day. I will start with the while loop now. Let's take a day and try to complete the program to display the Pascal triangle. That is an important code for you. I already gave the loops, like how many spaces required and how to calculate a term. We call each in a row, each value as one term in Pascal triangle, right? So we discussed about how we can able to what we can say, how we can able to um, get the term using the uh, NCR formula. So those things I explained yesterday, and please try to use the loops what I did yesterday and try to create the program for Pascal triangle. Let's take a day and try to complete the program. Okay. And yeah, so basically coming to the session for today, we will start with the while loop today. So far we discussed about all our applications, programs, everything is on for loop. So now it's time to look at into the while loop, how it works. Okay. We'll start with the while loop. That's better. Folks, uh, please note all these things, whatever I'm explaining. Yeah, folks. We'll be starting with the while loop, folks. Our loop is while loop today. Okay. As you know that there are iterational control statements, and out of the three iterational control statements, we are discussing about the second one. That is nothing but our while loop. Okay. Actually, earlier, that is called for loop, right? Earlier, you know about for loop, but now we want to discuss about the while loop, folks. Basically, we should discuss about when should I use for loop and when should I use while loop. Okay. Let's take an example. Let's take an example like this now. See, um, for example, uh, okay, let's say uh, that a flight has, let's say 200 seats. Okay. And for each passenger, okay, each passenger, okay, requires immigration check. Okay, there is a flight with 200 seats, and each passenger, of the flight requires immigration check. Okay. So if this is the case now, then which loop that I should use? Could you tell me what's the loop that I have to use to
While
complete the
loop.
immigration check for each passenger?
While loop.
Okay. Any reason why should why can't I use for loop? Why should go for while loop only? Why can't I use for loop?
I think it should be for loop.
Okay.
We have 200 people, so I think while loop is like we can, for loop, we can use for loop too.
Okay.
Basically, I think it's for each passenger that has an immigration check, they can use a seat.
Yeah. So basically, okay, let's say let's take the other example. Folks, please respond. Everyone, please try to respond. Try to give your answer also. Let's say, for example, once passengers are get down from the flight, actually they need to collect. They need to collect the baggage from the conveyor belt. Right? The passengers need to collect their baggage from the conveyor belt once they get down from the flight. They need to collect their baggage. Correct? So they need to collect the baggage from their conveyor belt. Am I right? So the question is, there are 200 passengers, and let's say their baggage is, I don't know exactly, but maybe one passenger may have two bags, or the other passenger doesn't have any bag. He's just alone, and maybe other passenger may have three or four bags. Okay, so they have to collect the baggage from the conveyor belt in the airport, right? So how many times the conveyor belt has to rotate? How many times the conveyor belt has to rotate?
200 times.
Okay. How many times the conveyor belt has to rotate so that the passengers can collect their baggage from the conveyor belt? Because generally the passengers are just standing around the conveyor belt, and
But it's
whenever
not,
their bag comes, they're simply going to collect the bag, right?
so there is
So how
not
much?
necessary. So how many times if they're like a more like a the manpowers, they are like a throwing the bags, and maybe 10 times, maybe 20 times,
Mm,
or maybe
correct.
30 times,
Correct.
not like a 200 times.
Okay. Okay. So
Until the bags will get finished.
yeah, exactly. So thing is, why I took this example is, in the first case, no, we know that there are 200 passengers, there are 200 seats in flight, there are 200 passengers, and each passenger requires immigration check. So basically, when you know how many times to iterate the loop,
Use for loop.
then use for loop. Good.
We don't know, use while loop.
Okay, exactly. Exactly. When you know how many times to iterate the loop, then go forward for loop. When
For
you don't know how many times to iterate the loop, you know that the loop should be repeated, but based on certain condition. But you don't know exactly it should be repeated for 10 times or 15 times or 20 times. You got my point, right?
Mhm.
Because see, suppose I'm a passenger, I'm standing, around the conveyor belt. But when the conveyor belt is rotating and when my baggage come, I didn't pick up my bag. I didn't pick up my luggage. Okay. So it's not mandatory that definitely that passenger is going to pick whenever his bag comes, right? So maybe after 1 2 rotations, maybe I took my bag from the conveyor belt. So thing is, I don't know how many times to repeat the conveyor belt, rotate the conveyor belt. how many times conveyor belt should rotate means it's not the number of times until all the baggage has picked up from that conveyor belt. But we know exactly 20 times or exactly 15 times or exactly 200 times. Not like that. I think you people got my example. Did you got my example, folks?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Did you get my example?
Yes.
Other folks, Samin folks, did you get my example, right?
Yes, sir.
Good, 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 Lakshmi. Yeah. Sushmita, good. Yeah, good. So good. So thing is, when you know exactly how many times to iterate, when you know exactly how many times to iterate the loop, then choosing for loop is the better option. Can't we do it with while loop? Yes, we can do it. But if for that requirement, better to choose for loop. Okay, right? And when you don't know how many times to iterate the loop, you know that loop should be repeated based on certain condition. That's all. But you don't know how many times to iterate. If that is the case, then you can choose while loop. So choosing while loop is better option when compared with the for loop. Okay. So let me observe here. While loop. Okay. I just want to start with the while loop now. So just I wanted a point here saying that when you know how many times to iterate the loop. Iterate the loop. So when you know how many times to iterate the loop, then choose for loop. Okay. So when you don't know, okay, when you don't know how many times to iterate the loop. Okay, please note everything. Iterate the loop. Folks, when you don't know how many times to iterate the loop, then choose while loop. I can also choose for loop, but choosing while loop is better option when compared to the for loop. Hope you guys got clarity on this, right? So when you know how many times to iterate the loop, then choose for loop. So when you don't know how many times to iterate the loop, then go for while loop. Okay, good. Let's have a syntax for this. Okay, if it is for, you can write initialization part, condition part, increment, decrement part in a single line. But suppose if the same thing you're using in while loop, you can't do like that. Because in while loop, while statement contains only condition. But you can't write initialization part, increment part, or decrement part. You can't write in while statement. You should use different statements. But whereas in for, initialization part, condition part, increment, decrement part, everything that you can write in a single line. I'll show you that. So first of all, let's talk about the syntax. See, while, okay, and you have some condition there. Folks, am I clear?
Yes.
Condition, then you can write the loop statements. Okay. These are the statements to execute. Close the while loop. Then of course, after the while loop, then you'll be having a next statement. So far, am I clear with you?
Yes.
So far, am I clear with you, folks? While there is a condition, and in the condition, inside the while loop, then you have statements. Then go to the next statement. Is this clear for you?
Yes.
Let's go ahead. Please, let's go ahead. Sure. Okay, let's talk about the chart, flow chart. See, how much did the loop get iterated? See, initially the control is entering. This is a chart, flow chart. Let's say initially the control will enter, right? Okay. This is going to be the condition. Okay. Now this is going to be the condition. Okay. This is the condition. This is the condition. Condition could be either true or false. Okay. Okay. Observe here. Okay. This is the condition. The condition could be either true or false. Okay. This is the condition. Condition could be either true or false. If the condition is true, let's understand what's happening. So if the condition is true, then obviously what happens? All the statements get executed. These are the statements. Okay, these are the statements. And once the statements are executed, okay, right? Once the statements are executed, again the control go and check the condition, right? Again, once the statements are completed, okay, and you know that once the statements are completed, again goes and check the condition. That's why I'm just drawing the loop like this. Folks, am I clear? For check the condition, if the condition is true, okay, then statements are executed. Then again, check the condition. And once if condition is true, again execute the statements, then again check the condition. Once statements are completed, check the condition. Once again condition is true, statements again check the condition. So this will be repeated like this, okay, until the given condition becomes false. Suppose if the condition becomes false, then control definitely goes to the next statement. So I would like to write directly or maybe at the okay. Folks, then the control goes to the next statement. So am I clear with you, folks? Am I clear with you? Have you understood this flowchart simple? A simple flowchart. It goes to the next statement. Please note everything, okay? Yeah, folks. Am I clear with you, folks, so far? Am I good with you so far? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So this is the flow chart. First control enters into the condition while loop. While statement contains only what? Condition. It doesn't have any increment part, decrement part. We can't write in while statement. But if you take first statement, we can write initialization part, condition, and increment, decrement parts in a single statement. That is in first statement only. But whereas in while statement, we can only write the condition part, but we cannot write the initialization part, or we cannot write the increment or decrement part. We cannot write all these things. Folks, am I clear to you? Okay. Right. So you need separate statements. For example, if you want an initialization part, write above the while loop. If you want increment or decrement part, write inside the while loop. But in while statement, you can only write the condition part. Okay, folks, try to understand this. Okay, let's go ahead. See, let's say let's say the two I'm writing side by side. Here I'm writing 4. For example, 4 int I is equal to 1. Okay. I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Just simple for loop that we know. And here I'm writing system dot out dot println of I. And I just want to close the for. Okay. This is for statement. Okay. So if you write the same thing in while, you should write like this. How do you write int? Observe it. Int I is equal to 1. While I less than or equals to 5. System dot out dot println of I. I plus plus. Folks understand both are same. This is for, this is while. But you know the difference here? What I'm doing here? Here I'm writing
In body.
initialization part, condition part, increment, decrement part, all the three in a single statement, in for statement. But whereas in while, initialization should be done in one statement. Condition you can write in while statement. Increment you can do it in inside the while statement. You need 3 separate statements required here, but here in a single statement only we can do. That's why when you know how many times to iterate the loop, then better to use for, not the while. When you don't know how many times to iterate the loop, but you know that there are sometimes you need to iterate the loop, but exactly you don't know how many times to iterate. Then you go for while. Folks, am I clear for you so far? So far, am I clear for you?
Yes.
Yes. So I just want to write a point here. The point which I want to write is in for statement. I write in for statement. We can write initialization part, condition part, and increment or decrement part in a single line. Got it? In while statement, we can only write condition part. Okay. So here we need 3 statements, or we need separate statements. Separate statements for initialization, condition, and increment or decrement, and for increment or decrement, and for the increment or decrement. Folks, have you understood my point, guys? Please note them. Please note all these things. But have you understood this? Okay, please note this. Now we are going to write the programs. I will explain how do we write the programs for this.
Can you please copy and paste that in chat so we can download that information? Or you are able to update the documents? Are you able to
No,
update
no,
the documents?
no.
Okay.
I'm
Thank
just
you.
going to do it.
Thank you so much.
So I can. Okay, now you can able to download this.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Yeah. Folks, let's go ahead with writing some programs on while. So first, okay, we are going to write a program. Okay, first we are writing a program. That program is to just find the what I can say, sum of the digits of the given number. These are all programs which will make you, or I can say that this will help you in what I can say, getting the logics. Okay, for while are very frequently used loops in the applications. Okay, in for actually there is one more type of for that is called for each loop, but that we are going to look at when we are into arrays concept. When we are into arrays concept, I will explain about how do we work with the for each loop. Okay, folks. So currently we are going to write a program on. See, our program is going to be program for, of course I read the program, but I just want to explain here. Program for finding the sum of the digits of a given number. Okay, suppose see, for example, okay, for example, suppose my number is equal to, okay, for example, my number is equal to 159. Okay, then output should be, okay, output should be 1 plus 5 plus 9, or 9 plus 5 plus 1, anything. Okay, it's equal to 15. Folks, this is the program that we are going to write for finding the sum of the digits of a given number. Okay, am I clear with you now? What is the program that we are writing? Sum of the digits of a given number.
Yes.
Yeah. Folks, the other folks, am I clear with you? Am I clear about this program?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Folks, please understand. So this is a program we are finding. This is a program for finding the sum of the digits of a given number. So how do we write the program for this? Okay, how do we write the program for this? Sure. See, guys, if you want to find the sum of the digits of the given number, you have to initially take a variable. The variable name could be any name. Let us say, for example, sum is the name of the variable. Okay. So just take some variable where you can store the result. Okay, you can take the variable name as a sum, or you can take the variable name as a result. It could be any name, doesn't matter. Okay. So first take some variable where you can store the sum. Take the last digit of a number, then add it to sum. For example, if the number is 159, got it? Number is 159. Take the last digit of the number, that is 9. Get the last digit and add it to the sum. Then decrement your number from, let's say, 3-digit number to 2-digit number. Okay, right? So what should I do first? Get the number, get the last digit of the number. Okay, folks. So how to get the last digit of a number? Could you tell me how to get the last digit of a number? See, for example, I'm writing, I have a variable called sum or result. I'm taking result is equal to 0. Assume that result is an integer variable. Let's say result is 0. Could you tell me now how to get the last digit of the number? Could you tell me how to get the last digit of a number? For example, 159 is a number. I want to get the 9 from 159. Could you tell me how can I do that? Yes. Yes, Suja, correct. No, it's not related to any index, Shashikant. It's not a string, and we don't have any index like this is index 0, 1, 2 like that. It's not index. Okay. See, whenever you want to get the last digit of a number, you need to find modulus 10 with that number. You need to find the value of modulus 10. For example, see guys, 159. Okay. For example, if I say 159, folks, 159 modulus 10. Could you tell me what's the value of 159 modulus 10? Could you tell me what's the value of 115 modulus 10?
9.
Yeah. I got the last digit right?
Yes.
Folks, am I clear?
Mhm.
So how to get the last digit of the number? I can get the last digit of a number by finding modulus with a 10. Okay. Okay. Now I got the last digit 9. Now I can add it to this variable sum. I have a variable called result here. My variable name is result. Variable name could be any name. Yes, sum, x, result. Folks, whatever that you want, you can write. Could you tell me now? Could you tell me now? Result is equal to, okay, result is equal to 0. That's the current value of result is 0 plus 9. So could you tell me what's the result now?
9.
9. Okay. Like that. Could you tell me next? Now the number is 159. Then I got 9 out of 159. Now what should be my next number to get the last digit of the number? Suppose I want to get the digit 5. If I want to get the last digit 5 from the number, my number should be 15. So how to decrease my number from 159 to 15? Guys, how to decrease my number from 159 to 15? Could you tell me how to do that?
The quotient is divided by 10.
Yes, exactly. So 159, you divide with 10. Could you tell me what the value of 159 divided by 10? Division returns quotient or remainder, folks? What it returns? Is it going to return the remainder or is it going to return the quotient?
Quotient.
Yeah, exactly. Could you tell me what the value of 159 modulo by 10? What the quotient? 15. Guys, folks, you got the number 15?
Yes.
Did you get the number 15? Am I clear with you? Yeah. Now your number is now decreased from 3-digit number to 2-digit number. Now again, please try to find 15 modulus 10 to get the last digit.
Yes. 5.
5. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Add this to result. Could you tell me what's the current result?
1.
Result equal to 9 plus current value is 5. Folks, am I clear? Then you got the result equal to 14. Everyone, please try to understand now. This is the base logic for next applications, next programs. Am I clear, folks? 9 plus 5 is 14.
No.
Did you get my point, folks? Did you got my point?
No.
See, 15 modulus 10. What's the result of 15 modulus 10?
5.
5. What's the current result here? 9. So 9 plus, what's the current value here? 5. 9 plus 5? 14. Okay. Next. Could you tell me what's the value of 15 divided by 10?
1.
1. Now tell me your number from 2-digit it decreased to 1-digit number now. Actually, initially 3-digit number. From 3-digit number, we decrease it to 2-digit number. And from 2-digit number, now we decrease it to 1-digit number. Am I clear?
Yes.
Folks, what about the other people? I'm asking all of you guys, right? Not 1, 2, 3 people. I'm asking all of you guys. Could you able to understand this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Good.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Please give me some response, okay, so that I can understand. Yeah, thanks. Folks, now tell me my number is now decremented from 3-digit to 2-digit, next to 2-digit to 1-digit. Am I clear? Okay. Now we got 1-digit now, folks. Could you tell me what the value of 1 modulus 10?
1.
10, 0, 0. What the remainder?
0. 1.
10 zeros, 0. How much is remaining? That's what remainder. What the remainder value? 1. So 1 modulus 10 is 1, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now add this result to the sum variable now. The result variable now. A result equal to, what's the current result? 14
14 plus 1.
plus 1. Could you tell me what's the result now? 15. 15 is the result. Okay. Now I have given a number with 3 digits. So initially it is 3 digits. After getting the last digit of the number, then the number got decremented to 2-digit number. And after getting the last digit of the number, then the number decremented to single-digit number. Now, if you find 1 mod divided by 10, could you tell me what's the result now?
0.
0. Tell me now your number your given number finally became 0, right?
Yes.
Yes. Whenever the number is 0, then come out of the loop.
Yes.
Don't find again 0 modulus 10, because 0 modulus 10 is what? 0. So when your number becomes 0, when the given number is transferred or is become 0, then
It
come
becomes
out of the
false.
loop, display the result. Okay, what's the result now?
15.
Okay, now display the result when the number becomes 0. What's the result now, guys? 15, right?
Yes.
So guys, 1 plus 5 plus 9 equal 15 only. Now, have you got an idea like, how do we write the logic for finding the sum of the digits of the given number? Folks, online folks, everyone, did you understood this?
Yes.
In online, guys, everyone, did you understood this concept, guys?
Yes.
Did you understood this? How we able to do that? How we
Yes,
able to
sir.
do that? Okay, good. Let me write the loop here. Of course, complete program I will write next, but let me write the loop here. So the loop is, we should write the loop like this, folks. The loop is like this. See, I'm taking something like while, folks, while number greater than 0. While number greater than 0. What happens when number equal to 0? Folks, am I clear? What happens if a number becomes 0?
Condition will be true.
The condition becomes false, right?
Yes.
Please understand. Something like I'm taking some variable called
Isn't.
digit.
Yes.
Okay, equals what should I write? Number modulus 10. I got the digit now. Then add the digit to result variable. So result equal to result plus digit. Am I clear?
Yes.
Then my number should be number divided by 10. Guys, did you understood about this too? Please, folks, everyone, please respond, because this is going to be the base logic for the next upcoming at least 3 to 4 programs to get some logical skills. Folks, am I clear with you?
Yes.
Yeah, good. Folks, online folks, everyone, are you clear with this while loop?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Good. Akshay, are you clear with this? Bhagyesh, are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. 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 Anybody have any question on this? Bhagya, Ketan, Venu, Gopal, Nikhil, Nitish, Ravli. Okay. Shashikant. Anybody have any question on this? Do you have any question on this? Are you clear with this? Because it's the base logic for all our applications next. Okay. Very good. Good. Guys, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and write the code for this. Okay. Sure. Good. Good. So our program is to just find the sum of the digits, okay, of a given number. Okay, let's write the program or the code for this. So as long as number number greater than 0, then we'll be getting the sum of the digits, right? We want to find the sum of the digits of a given number. I have a question to all of you. What about if my number is minus 159? What if my number is minus 159? Could you tell me, according to this logic, what is the result of if I give minus 159? It's a negative number.
Yes. So
Okay,
condition
what's the
that
condition in while loop, folks?
Number greater than 0.
Is number greater than 0. First, check the condition. If condition is true, then only it will enter. This is actually called as what? Entry control loop. Entry control means before entering, before allowing the control to enter, it will check the condition. That is what entry control loop. So while number greater than 0, could you tell me what's the value of the number? Could you tell me what is my number?
Minus 159.
So minus 159 greater than 0. Is minus 159 greater than 0?
No.
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 False.
Then control comes out, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. But when I'm writing my program, if the user has given a negative number, then I would like to say the user, you gave a negative number. Okay. So please enter a positive number. Did you get my point, guys?
Mhm.
Yes.
I'm going to write a program like that. If a user gives in a negative number, I'm asking the user, please enter a number, but I don't know the user may give a positive number or negative number. If user gives negative number, then I want to tell the user, no, you should not enter negative. Please enter a positive number. Means I'm going to do an if condition first.
Yes.
Okay. And for example, he has given a positive number, then I want to continue with the logic. So let's write the program for this. Please look at the code. So folks, let's create a new Java project. So project name could be sum of digits program. Let's click on finish. Sum of digits program. Let's click on finish. Let's go to src. Let's go to module-info.java file. First delete the file. This is not required. We'll delete this. Folks, Let's go to SRC, new. Then we'll go to the class and package name. Okay. As you know that we are entering every day, com.ashok.it.basics. Folks, am I clear? com.ashok.it.basics. Next, I'll go with class name. Class name could be sum of digits. Any name that you can take, that's your wish. But follow the identifier rules. With main method, let's click on finish. Folks, here we go. First, let's take a scanner object, folks. We have a scanner object here. Guys, we got a scanner. Folks, am I clear with you? We got a scanner object there. And so we got the scanner. Then we are going to say system.out.println. So please enter a number. Now let's take the number. Int number equal to, yes, C dot next int. So now I just want to call the method like this. So I'm just calling the method name as find sum of number or find sum of digits is my method, okay? Find sum of digits of number. But actually this method is not there. I'm just going to create now. Okay, folks. I'm just going to create this method. The method name is find sum of digits. Generally, we write the logic in two methods, not directly in the main method. So here my condition is what, if the given number, okay, less than, even, equal to, less than or equal to 0. Then system.out.println, or even you can say negative number also. If a number less than or equal to 0, or you can say less than 0, even for 0, sum of the digits will be 0, that we can write. Okay. If number less than 0, then I want to say system.println. Please enter. Okay, please enter, or you have to enter any word. You should enter. Okay, positive number or positive integer only. Then after this, guys, I want a return. Return is one statement which says that control should return back to the main. From this method, the control should go back to the calling point, nothing but this main method. Just we are only returning the control, that's all. That's what the statement of return. If I return the control from line number 19, then line number 20, 21, 22, they are not executed. That's what the meaning of return. Return from this method. Print this message, then return from this method. Return back to the main method. Am I clear, folks? That's what I'm writing written. Am I clear? Am I clear with you? Else, or even else is not required now. Directly I can add only if, then I'll start my logic. Int result equal to 0. Folks, so we got int result is equal to 0. Okay, guys. Next, then we'll start the while loop. While, okay, while, you know, number, greater than 0. Folks, while number greater than 0. So int digit is equal to number modulus 10. Then what result? Equal to result plus digit. Then what number? Equal to number divided by 10. Folks, am I clear with you? Am I clear with you, folks? Number equal to number divided by 10. Am I clear with you? Folks, is everyone, sorry, folks, have you understood this, no?
Yes.
Yes. Then,
Yes, sir.
then I should display the sum, right? Result, right? The next statement of this while is system.out.println. I say sum of digits, sum of the digits of the number. Then I would like to display the value of that result. So did everyone got this code, guys? Guys, did everyone got this code? Did everyone got to know about how I'm writing the program for this? Very good. Okay. Folks, everyone are clear with this code? Everyone in online, whoever attending the session today, please let me know. I'm requesting you because the next programs are going to be depending on this particular kind of logic only. This kind of logic only. Am I clear with everyone, folks? Online folks, am I clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good, 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 folks. Let's run this program. Let us run this program. Okay. Did you understood about there is a new statement I have included today that is called return statement, where see when does control go to line number 23? When does control go to line 23 for execution, line 23, then 24 like that, 24, 25 like that. When control goes to line 23, then to 24 for execution.
Number positive number.
If the given number is positive number, right? The given number is negative number. What's the message you will get? What's the message or output that the program will print?
You should enter.
You should enter possibility here only.
Yes,
Then after that, what statement is there?
Return.
Return statement is there. What this return statement will do? Return statement from
Return
this
to-
line 20 will return the control back to the
Right.
main. Am I clear, folks? Yeah. Good. Cool. Let's run this program. So please enter a number. Let's say I gave a number called minus 459. It's a negative number.
Yes.
So I'm getting a result called you should enter positive integer only. Am I clear? Now what, guys? I want to enter a number. So please enter a number. This time my number is, for example, 237. Then the result will be 12. 2 plus 3, 5, or 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, right? Result will be 12. So sum of the digits of the number is 12. Suppose if I give the number is 0. Sum of the digits of the number is 0. Am I right? 0 is also one digit. So sum of the digits will be 0. Okay, guys. So have you understood? Have you written this program, folks, everyone?
Yes, sir. Sir, but actually, how can JVM will be recognized? This is negative number.
Sorry?
Just like how can JVM will be recognized? This is negative number, just like a 4 minus 10, yeah, minus 11.
Didn't get you correctly. Could you
Yeah.
just
Just like a 4, you should enter positive number only, but negative number you have a put it. Then how can
Yes.
we be recognized? Which code will be
that's what if condition, right?
Okay.
What's the condition I've written here? If the given number less than 0, obviously whatever the number which is less than 0 is a negative number only, na?
Oh, yes, yes.
That's a condition I written already with if.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Guys, everyone, are you clear with this program? Online folks, am I clear with this? Folks, everyone. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Have you noted this program, guys? Have you written this program in your notebook? Cool.
ఇది అయిపోయిందా క్లాస్ లేదు ఇంకొక 10 minutes ఎంత విక్కీ గంట పెడుతున్నారు
Yes, folks. So I just want to ask you people to write the code for this. Please try to write program for this now. The complete program you write, I will wait for 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes, but please try to complete this program. Now you need to write a program for this. See, what I'm saying is you write a program. You write a program to find the sum of even digits of a number. Not all the digits now. Only you need to find the sum of even digits of a number. Guys, suppose, for example, number is equal to, let's say, 267. Could you tell me what's the output now? What's the output I'm expecting? 8.
8.
Because 7 is not a even digit. But 6 is even digit, 2 is also even digit. Only find the sum of even digits of the number. So in the given number, there are 2 digits are there which are even. That is 2 and 6. So 6 plus 2 is 8, or 2 plus 6 is 8. Guys, I will wait. Please try to write a program for this. Could you able to write the program for this, guys? What do you check now after getting the digit? After getting the digit from the number, let's say last digit you are getting from the number 7. After getting the digit, the last digit of the number, what do you do? What will you do after getting the digit? What will you do?
divisible by 2 is equal to 0.
Yes.
Sir,
Is it
can we use
divisible by 2
if
or not,
loops
right?
and-
Sorry?
Sir, can we use if loops in the while loop?
I didn't get you.
Can we use if loops in the while loop?
See, I would like to say that if is a statement, while is a loop. If is a selection statement. It's not a loop, right?
No.
If is a statement which is a selection control, while is a iterational control. We can write
Okay.
if in while or while in if, even that is also possible.
All right.
Okay,
Thank you.
right. Yeah, even we can write while inside while, that is inner while loop, outer while loop, like that also we can write nested loops. Okay, so guys, please try to write the program for this. I will wait. So if the given number is 267, you should get the output as 8. Please try to write a program for this. Please try to write a program for this. I will wait for a couple of minutes. Please write complete program so that you will get a clarity. Okay, the class, the main method, then the other method, scanner, everything. Please write a program for this. Okay, I'll wait for 5 minutes. Then I will start with the next program. Please write now itself. folks, have you written the code for this? Have you done? Yeah, folks. Good. Yeah. From the last code to the current code, from the last code to this current code, okay. There is only one change required. Okay, just if you do one change, then one small if condition if you include inside the while loop, then the program is going to be like finding the sum of even digits of a number. Okay. So once you got the digit, check that digit is even digit or not. If it is an even number, then if the digit is even digit, then add it to the result variable or some variable, whatever the variable that you took. Okay. Please try that. Then we will go with the next program, folks. Next, we are discussing about a number called Armstrong number. So we are actually going to take Armstrong number program. Folks, we are actually now going to write Armstrong number program. Okay. Now let us, basically let us understand what is Armstrong number. Okay. I'll write the definition for Armstrong number. Then we'll write the program for Armstrong number. Okay. Folks. Okay. Right. So what is Armstrong number definition? If nth power of each digit of a number, if nth power of each digit of a number is equal to the same number, then that number is called Armstrong number. Okay, first let me read the definition, then write example. You will get easily. Okay, definition wise, Armstrong number, if nth power, folks, if nth power yeah. Okay, if nth power of each digit, if nth power of each digit of a number is equal to the same number, then it is an Armstrong number. Okay, if nth power of each digit of a number is equal to the same number, then it is an Armstrong number. Okay, what is the meaning of nth power? Nth is where n is the length of the number. Is the length of the number. See, example. The very, what we can say, a popular example is, let's say the number is equal to 153. Folks, example, the number is equal to 153. Okay. Then tell me what is the length of this number, folks. Length means how many digits are there in this number?
3.
3 digits are there. Okay. So could you find what is 1 power 3? Because n is 3 here. N means length. Length is 3 digits. So could you tell me what is the value of 1 power 3 plus, let's say 5 power 3? 5 power 3. Okay. Plus 3 power 3. Could you tell me what's the value of 1 power 3 plus 5 power 3 plus 3 power 3? Could you tell me? 1 power 3 is 1 plus. Guys, could you tell me what's the value of 5 power 3?
125.
125. Yes, 125. Very good. Plus, could you tell me what's the value of 3 power 3?
27.
27. Very good. Could you sum them and tell me what the output now?
153.
150?
3.
153. Yeah. Now tell me, guys, this number is called which number then?
Armstrong.
Yeah, this number is called an Armstrong number.
Yes.
Folks, am I clear with you? Am I clear with you?
Yes,
Folks,
sir.
am I clear with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is called which number, folks? 153 is which number?
Armstrong number.
Armstrong number. What is the Armstrong number definition? If nth power of each digit of a number is equal to the same number, then that number is called an Armstrong number. What is n here? N is the length of the number. Okay. Let's say I have a number is equal to 371. Please check and tell me, is this an Armstrong number or not? Please check and tell me, is this number is Armstrong number or not? Please check and tell me, is 371 is an Armstrong number or not? Guys, what is your answer? What's your answer?
Yes, it is.
Yes. Could you tell me what is here? It is, see, what's the length of this number, folks? What's the length of this number?
3
So 3. 3 power 3
plus
plus
7.
plus what, guys? 7 power 3.
1 cube.
Sorry. Yeah, 7 power 3. Could you tell me next what, guys? Plus
1 cube. 1 power 3.
1 power 3. 1 power 3. One power 3. So could you tell me what is the output of this? What is 3 power 3 first of all?
27.
27 plus. Could you tell me what is the 7 power 3?
343.
343 plus. Could you tell me what is the value of 1 power 3?
1.
1. Equal to how much, guys?
371.
371. Now 371 is an Armstrong number or not?
Yes.
Armstrong.
Yes, it is.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Last one more example, folks, because suppose my number equals to 1634. Please try to find, is it an Armstrong number or not?
Yes. It's Armstrong number.
Yeah, it's an Armstrong number.
Yes.
See, guys, first of all, what should I find here? Is it 1 power 3? Many of the people will confuse it. That's why I'm giving this
1
example.
1 power 4.
Guys, is it 1 power 3 or 1 power 4?
1 power 4.
1 power 4, because the number of digits are 4, right? 1 power 4 plus,
6 power 4.
very good, plus 6 power 4 6 power 4 plus
3 power 4.
3 power 4, guys. 3 power 4 plus
4 power 4.
1 power 4. Am I clear, folks?
4 power 4.
1 power 4. Sorry, 4 power 4. Sorry. It's a 4 power 4. Am I clear? Yeah. Could you tell me what's the value of 1 power 4?
1.
1. 1. Could you tell me what's the value of 6 power 4?
1296.
196. Very good.
What?
Plus, could you tell me what is 3 power 4?
81.
81.
81. 81. Very good. Could you tell me what's the value of 4 power 4?
156.
256.
Sorry? 1?
256.
256. Am I right? Good. If you sum them, what's the value? 81.
1634.
1634.
34.
Everybody got my point? 1634.
Yeah.
Okay. So could you tell me now 1634 is an Armstrong number or not?
Yes, sir. It is.
Yes. So we have to write a program for this now to check whether a given number is Armstrong number or not. All these programs like prime number, perfect number, or patterns, or finding some different numbers, these are all will give you good logical skills. So you need to just think like how to write a program for this, get the last digit of the number, then find the power. So here, if I give a number, first of all, what should I check is that given number is negative number or a positive number. If it is negative number, then display you must enter a positive number only, written. Otherwise, then take the number, find the length of the number. I'll tell you how to find the length of the number. Length means what? How many digits are there? We need to count, right? I'll tell you the easy way to get this length of a number. So once we got the length of the number of digits are given number. Once you got the length of the number, then we need to find the sum of the nth power of each digit. Then we need to check whether the number and the sum both are matching together or not. If the sum value and the given number both are matching together, then that number is an Armstrong number. Otherwise, it is not an Armstrong number. Folks, am I clear with the logic, like what we are going to write for this in the next session tomorrow? Did you guys got the point, like what is Armstrong number?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes.
Folks, am I clear with you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So here is a session for today, folks. Okay. Here is a session for today. And we will continue the session. We'll continue this program in the next session, that is on tomorrow. You got